Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this docking station, 4K docking station that this brand sent to me for this video. I tested it already, and I think that this could be a really nice companion for both productivity, gaming, if you like as well, and also like laptop, like a laptop setup. I want to say, if you have a laptop setup like for home office or things like that, you can use it perfectly with not one, not two, but three different screens, like it says over here, which is kind of like the quick start I got. Give it a read because this one is really good to read. We're gonna try it with just one portable monitor that I have today. I don't have the other ones. I think my wife took them or something to the office, but now this one remembers that you have not one, not two, but three different that you can actually connect to your laptop. Let me show you some of the ports that you get from this compact but powerful docking station. So you can see that it's pretty compact. I do like that it comes in this really nice metal case, and this is going to be all your possibilities. So you have a jack over here. You also have the USB-C for the host. You also have three different USB 8 at 5 gigabytes per second, and you also have card readers on this side. And then on the other side, you're gonna find the wall DC cable, the other USB-C, which is gonna be for connecting the monitor, and you also have the Ethernet port right here that is gonna be up to 1 gigabyte connectivity, internet connectivity. And you also have another USB-A 3.0. And as I was just telling you before, you have the three HDMI ports, which you're gonna have one with 4K at 60 Hz and then two at 2K at 60 Hz. So for gaming, that could be really good. And then some really nice heat dissipation over here for the ventilation. Let's actually plug it to the electricity to power and then connect it to my laptop. So everything is connected right here via the USB-C port to my USB-C Thunderbolt port right here on my laptop. Make sure that your laptop supports that connectivity. I also have the laptop connected to the power and one HDMI at 2K because it's a 2K resolution port over here on this display, this portable monitor. Remember, you can connect up to three screens at the same time. The only thing we need to do is just turn it on, just like that. It will turn on right away. And after a few seconds, it will recognize both the monitor and the docking station, which I think is going to be the best way just to make sure that that happens. So super fast connectivity, as you can see, at 2K resolution. And remember, you can add two more to the HDMI ports, one at 4K 60 Hz and two at 2K 60 Hz. So that is really good for gaming and productivity. And then you can add for the dongles, you can add, let's say, wireless keyboard, wireless mouse. You can do data transfer with flash drive, super fast, up to 104 megabytes per second. So it's going to be really fast. And also you can do the cards and connect the 1 gigabyte Ethernet cable for better connectivity on your laptop instead of the Wi-Fi. This is really good. I like it. Super fast, compact, but powerful. Really good docking station. Recommended. Thumbs up.